Good morning, children. Today we will learn about computer room manners. What is that? Today we will learn about computer room manners. So, this computer room is also called as computer lab. We call it as computer lab. In this computer labs, you will have number of desktops like this. These are called as desktops. We will have number of desktops placed on the tables in this way in a good sequence. And all the students are allowed to operate these desktops with the help of your teacher. With the help of your teacher. So, as we have a good manners or good habits or that you have to follow in the classroom, in the same way, we will have some manners that should be followed in the computer room also. So, let us see what they are. The first one, be gentle with the computer. Be gentle with the computer. So, here this is the desktop. You should use your keyboard, your monitor, the CPU, mouse in a very gentle way, smooth way. You should not be rough. You should not, press the keys of the keyboard very roughly, tightly. No, you should not, damage or, you know, handle the monitor in a very bad way. You should use them in a very gentle way. Never be so rude with the computer. Never be rude with your friends. Also, never be rude with the computer. You should be gentle with the computer. Okay. Next. See here, friends. What is this? What is your friend doing here? He is keeping back the chair. What is he doing? He is keeping back the chair. He has finished his work. So, as soon as you finish your work, you have to keep the chair where it is and you should clean the table. When you are taken to the lab, sometimes your teacher ask you to bring your books, pencil, eraser or your pencil box. So when you are leaving the computer lab and going back to the class, you should take all the books, erasers or your pencils or your pencil boxes neatly, clean the table, like putting back the chair, keeping the mouse in its own place, switching off the desktop. All these you have to follow, do it and then leave the computer lab. When you have finished, push your chair back in and clean your table. Next, children, the most important point. Do not push each other. Your teachers will always say, right? Don't push, don't push, don't push, children. Be calm. In the same way, don't push each other even in the computer lab. See, one of your friend may be sitting near the system and if you push him, he may fall on the system and the system may also fall down. This will damage the system. So, and also your friend may get hurt. That is a bad habit. Yes or no? So, do not push each other. Next. Always sit on the chair given to you. When some place is allotted to you by the teacher, you should sit in that particular place only. You should never change your places, move here and there in the lab. No, that is a bad habit. You should sit wherever it is been allotted to you by the teacher. Always sit on the chair given to you. Next. When you come to the lab, do not play games or listen to music in the computer room. Your computer room, when your teacher is taking you to your computer room, you should follow and learn the lessons that is being taught by your teacher. Previously, we have learned about the monitor, the keyboard, the CPU, okay, all these, and also we have learned about WordPad, okay. So in this way you can learn the exercises or learn how to use your CPU, your desktop, all that you have to practice rather than play games and listen to music. Okay, don't do that, children. Next, when your teacher is teaching in the online classes also, some students will mute them by themselves and sit and listen to the music or see TV. That's a bad habit, children. When your teacher is teaching something, sit in front of her and try to learn what she is teaching. Okay? Don't do that, children. Be a good boy and girl. Next. Do not bring food, chewing gum or drinks to the computer room. See, not even in the computer room. You should not bring snacks or any chocolates or something to the classroom also. See, you are allowed to eat those snacks or your chocolates or your lunch at the break time and the lunch time. Okay? In the middle of the class, you should never eat in this way. That is a very bad manners. Okay? Never eat any eatables when the class is going on, even if it is online or an offline. And in the computer room also, never eat anything. You should never bring any eatables or any water or something, any drinks you should not bring to the computer room. The last point of our class and the most important point. Ask your teacher for help if you are facing any problem while working on the computer. So, when you are working on the system, if you are facing some problem, you should call your teacher and ask for the solution. You should never, work by your own, because you will not know what will happen or what is the error that you have faced, what is the problem that you have faced. Your teacher will know it. Yes, so please call your teacher, ask her what your doubt is, and then operate your system. In school you should ask your teacher. When your teacher gives you any task to do at home, ask your parents and then operate your desktops or your laptops. Don't do it by your own. It will spoil the system. Okay? Never do that, children. So these are the some computer room manners that you have to follow, and also the manners that have been explained that you can follow on the online classes also. That is all for today, children. We'll meet in the next class. Bye bye.